Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be filming with two new exciting launches from Fenty Beauty. One is the blush, and it is a cream blush. It is in the shade Petal Popping, and this is what the outside of the package looks like. And it is 3 grams or 0.10 ounce of product. And I also picked up one of the cream bronzers. This is what the packaging looks like. And I got the shade Macchiato, and this is 6.23 grams and 0.22 ounce of product. The blush retails for $20. The bronzer retails for $32. If you guys want to see if I like these new products from Fenty Beauty, please stay tuned. If you haven't liked, comment, or subscribed on my channel, please do that, and let's get started. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is go ahead and I already did my base. I used some of the skin tint and some concealer, mascara, and I did my brows. So I did that off camera, so that would leave us some more time to enjoy some of the new stuff. What I'm going to do first is go in with the Fenty Cream Bronzer in Macchiato, and on the website it says that this is for light to medium skin tones, and still the amazing mirror in the inside and what the product looks like. Looks very creamy, and I'm excited to give this a try. So I have a damp beauty blender right here, and I'm going to pick up some of the product on my sponge, and I'm going to go ahead and stamp this in. And it is becoming summertime here, so I wanted to start with changing up some of my skincare and also makeup products, because my skin doesn't do so well with a lot of powders during the summer because it does like to break up. My skin does change from season to season, and I don't know, just been really enjoying a lot of creams lately. So I just put a little bit of the cream bronzer on my forehead, my temple, on my jawline, my cheek, and this looks really nice. I do like it. I'm just putting a little bit on my ear, and I'm just lightly tapping so it doesn't disperse too much product at once. And so far it seems like a really pretty little glow, and it's not adding too much product all at once. And I'm just using the mirror that I got as well from Fenty, just so I can see a little bit better. I'm just putting this down my neck, and it's blending out really, really nice. Looks really, really pretty. So here's the side with some of the bronzer, and looks like a potato head with no dimension. So I'm just gonna pick up some more of the product. Go ahead and do this side. And it's not picking up like a weird cast or anything, or like a green or gray tint to it, which is great. And it's also not picking up any of my tinted moisturizer. It's definitely sinking in and blending really, really nice too. Giving the skin a little bit of a sheen, and it looks really nice. Just gonna add a little bit more. I'm gonna bring it up on my cheeks just a little bit too. How's everybody been doing with the quarantine? A lot of everybody's staying home, staying healthy. Are you guys all working out? Living your best lives? I'm still working, not just on YouTube, but also in my normal job. And I have some stuff going on at home. Maybe I'll be able to talk about it sometime soon. Not right now. I'm trying to keep this pretty happy and pretty positive. So I'm just bringing some of this down my neck, and this looks super pretty. Really, really nice. It's not breaking up or anything, and it leaves a sheen on my face, which is really pretty. I'm gonna take a little bit more of this and put some of this on my nose. Not too much though. This is cute. Very cute. I was almost thinking that this was going to be too dark for my skin tone, because I am in between right now. I haven't had a lot of sun because in Wisconsin right now we're transitioning to spring, so it's been really dark. I'm gonna come closer so you can see what it looks like. Not emphasizing any texture at all, and I've been really taking care of my skin. This is why I'm really excited to be trying this out. I've been using the vitamin C serum from Ole Hendrickson. It has definitely been a really big game changer. Don't mind my hair, it's freshly washed, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial on some hair stuff. So I wanted to just let it be, let it live its life, enjoy the makeup today. I am very happy with this. I am going to leave the bronzer like this, and I like this so far. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to jump into Petal Popping, which is a little bit of like a peachy pink, and I am excited to give this a try. I'm going to use the side of my sponge, my beauty blender, and pick up some of the product. Not too much because I don't know how strong this is. That amount. I'm gonna go ahead and, come on, I just took off my powder down on my nails and it was just getting too long, and Brody actually took a Dremel and actually helped me get the polish off, so I'm still getting used to not having any strong nails right now. I mean, they're strong, but not thick nails, so. Ooh, first, wow. This is so pretty. Definitely a really good sheen. Not emphasizing any texture as well, like the bronzer. And I'm just kind of putting it closer to the front of my cheek as well. Do you see that? I don't know how well it's picking up on camera, but this is so pretty. You can see a little bit of the color. This is very creamy too. Building this up on the sponge again. So blush, no blush, really pretty. I'm just tapping very lightly, and this stuff is blending out really nice too. I wonder what this would look like without any foundation on. I bet you this would be really, really pretty too. Just adding a little bit more because I like blush, especially if I'm not doing a lot of crazy makeup on my face. So pretty. And if you want, you can go back in with a little bit more of your bronzer if you feel like it's too much, feel like it's just enough. I've seen a lot of people that are taking their blush, like they have leftover, and they're putting it on their nose. I'm gonna give this a try. I usually don't do this, but this is really cute. I am very happy with this. I don't see any texture. Everything looks very fresh, and this is really, really pretty. I like this a lot. I don't even know if I even want to even set my face. Fenty, Rihanna, you did amazing with these. I love the packaging still as well, but you definitely have your fingerprints inside on the packaging. Very good for travel though, so I'm very happy with that. What I'm going to do, I got a gloss bomb in glass slippers, so I wanted to give this a try, but I want to put a pencil on my lip. I'm gonna take a little bit of MAC Subculture and I'm going to line my lips with this. I'm gonna go in with NARS, and this is a velvet lip liner in El Agua. Really, really pretty color too. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this on my lips as well. And then I'm going to use a little bit of NARS, and this is Buenos Aires, and this is a velvet lip pencil, and she is really pretty. Just help bring out some of that blush color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Fenty glass slipper, and this is the gloss bomb, and I'm going to put some of this on the back of my hand so I don't contaminate the color. And she is thick, definitely very clear. And I'm just going to take my hand and scoop some of this up. Let's juice these little guys up. Scoop up the rest of it on another finger, and that is a good lip. That is a really nice lip. All right, last thing I'm going to do is take some of my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and let's spray our face. air our face off just a little bit. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the end of this first impression with the blush and bronzer, the cream blush and bronzer, as I should say, from Fenty-Beauty. And this is the packaging for both, and this is great. I got my finger paws all over it already. I'm gonna give you guys a swatch of each of the bronzer and also the blush on my hand. And I will actually go from my finger to my hand so we can see exactly what this looks like. So I have a clean hand. I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple little swirls in the compact. And this is what the blush looks like on my finger when you put it on your hand. And it definitely does blend out really, really nice. Smells really good too. Should have picked up more than one color, but I didn't. And then this is the bronzer, and the bronzer first applied to the hand. I'll go ahead and blend it out just a little bit, and you can see it blended out. And they just feel so smooth. They don't feel like a skippy or anything like that, so that's really nice as well. Packaging, bronzer, name of the bronzer, packaging for blush, and name of the blush. And the bronzer is the same size still as what the original packaging bronzer is. And this is great. It's just nice that it has the difference, says cream on it versus the other bronzer, for in case if you want to use the regular bronzer versus cream. But I am digging this. This is so pretty, and it gives my skin a very healthy glow. And again, this is what the blush and bronzer look like. So what do you guys think? Are you guys gonna pick it up? Have you already picked it up? Do you like it? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.